Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Tito Dustin from Laptop Factory. So, congratulations kay Ace and kay Ramil. Sila yung nanalo ng MSI loot box. So, please message us, Viber us, para mapadala namin itong mga loot box sa inyo. You don't need to pay anything for this. It's free. So, after this video, magbibigay kami ng dalawang ROG cap. So, please stay tuned after this video. Baka kayo yung nanalo ng cup na ito. If you want to win some giveaways, just simple like and subscribe to our page. Kasi doon kami nagbe-base kung sino yung bibigyan namin ng mga giveaways. Katulad ng mga sinasabi namin before, lahat ng kinikita namin dito, binibigay din namin sa customers namin. So, mapapansin nyo ROG ang giveaway natin ngayon kasi ang i-unbox natin ngayon ay an Asus laptop. Bakit itong laptop na ito? Past few months puro ang binavlog namin is about gaming laptops or is about premium laptops. So parang nakakalimutan na natin na what is the purpose kung bakit bumibili yung customers namin. Ang unang purpose talaga is because much as possible if we could sell a cheaper laptops, we will gonna sell it. And this laptop is, I think, if you're on the budget and you're looking for a very wow or a very decent laptop, baka para sa inyo to. So let's unbox it and let's see what's inside this box. So this laptop comes with a backpack. Zipper niya, medyo nandito sa side. So nauuso ngayon yung mga ganitong bag na nasa likod yung zipper. Hindi dito sa gitna. Baka probably anti-theft. So once you open the box, ito ang unang bubunganga sa inyo. In search for incredible. Are you looking for incredible? Baka si Asus na yan. So the unit, and then we got here some manuals. Premium service. We got here printed materials, and then charger. So the charger is 19 volts, that's a 1.75 ampere with a 33 watts. Dati mga binavlog natin is mga nasa 260, mga nasa 300 watts. Ngayon, medyo downgrade muna tayo ng 33 watts. Because itong laptop na pag-uusapan natin, yeah, it's not a powerful laptop, but ito yung swak na swak sa budget ninyo. So, the color of the unit is Star Black. Sa atin, ang tawag natin dito, itim. I noticed on the sticker here of the Celeron, ito yung mga bagong generation ng mga bagong sticker ng Celeron. And we also have a sticker here of, we got here Asus of a lightweight, extremely portable. Yes, it is portable. And then lay flat display, 180 degrees, and a numpad, innovative numeric keypad. So, ano ba ibig sabihin nun? I think, ito na yun, guys. So, this laptop is a 14-inch laptop. Normally, ang mga 15-inch, ito yung may mga numpad. So, don't expect a numpad on the 14-inch. But this one, Asus, medyo binago nila, no? Naglagay sila ng numpad, not on the keyboard, it's on the tracking pad. See? There's numbers here. Saan ka pa? Celeron na 14-inch na may numpad sa tracking pad. The ports, we got here ports of power, HDMI 1.4, and we have here USB Type-A 3.2 Gen 1, and then a Type-C. On the other side, we have here a Solo 2.0 Type-A. Medyo nakakalungkot lang, no? Tingnan mo dito sa side na to. Isang saksakan lang. Kinapos ng ports. About the dimension of the unit, the width is 12.8 inch. The depth is 8.5 inch, the height is 0.7, and the weight is 1.3 kilograms. So of course, the viewing angle, katulad ng sinabi sa sticker, is 180 degrees. Ang tawag nila doon is a lay flat display. Guys, gusto ko yung emphasize, no? The keyboard, it's actually a backlit keyboard. Ngayon, hindi lahat ng Celeron naka-backlit keyboard. Nagkaroon kami ng Acer, Lenovo na Celeron, or HP na Celeron na hindi backlit. This one is a backlit keyboard. Ang tinitingnan ko lang kanina dito is yung numpad niya. And by the way, dito sa numpad niya, no, pwede mong i-on. Ayan. So, once na, no, automatic mag-on na yung numpad niya. Let's see if it will work. Oha, di ba? Oha. Tapos, kung gusto mong ibalik sa tracking pad, you just press this, make it off, tracking pad na ulit siya. And gusto ko lang din i-emphasize itong enter keyboard niya, you know, color green, di ba? Yellow-green. So we got here an Asus logo at the back, at the front, underneath, okay. So walang Asus, but we can see here the two speakers. Now, let's talk about the specification of this Asus. The complete model is Asus E410KA-EK335W. The processor is N4500. So it's still the same processor but a different sticker. I thought it was like a different generation na nasa like N5000. No? Base is 1.1, the turbo is 2.8, it's 2 cores and 2 threads. The memory of the laptop is 4 gigs, so that's DDR4 2933 MHz, and the storage is 256 GB. The integrated graphics is Intel UHD graphics. specs. So the display is a 14-inch Full HD. That's a 920 by 1080. It's a Windows 11. So right now, I'm testing the camera of this unit. So what you're hearing is also the audio quality of this Asus K whatsoever. So titignan naman natin kung upgradable ba yung memory and storage nito. So let's open the chassis and let's see if this is upgradable. So thank you sa technician na nag-open ng chassis. Alright, so this is what's underneath a Celeron. To be honest, hindi ko malocate dito kung nasa yung memory or yung chip niya. But definitely, nandito siya sa mga thermal sink na to or sa heat sink na ito. And we got here the SSD, which is the 256 SSD and the Wi-Fi card. So guys, to sum it up, hindi na pwede upgrade ang memory nito because already on board. However, for the SSD, pwede nyo baguhin to 1 tera. But that would be a hassle kasi lilipat nyo pa yung OS from the existing to the new SSD. We got here the speakers. So napansin ko lang dito guys, no? Ang laki pa ng pwesto niya. Actually, pwede ka pa maglagay ng 2.5 SATA here or to add an extra memory slot. Ayun, no? To make it bigger. You might ask me, how many cell is this battery? 1, a 2, and a 3 cell. Ganun na ganun niya para malaman nyo. Kung hindi nyo alam yung sa specifications kung ilan cell yung battery nyo, tignan nyo mismo dito. So, the laptop comes with a 1-week replacement warranty and a 2 years Asus warranty. So, itabi na natin to and let's proceed with the pros and the cons. Let's talk about the pros and the cons. Let's start with the pros. Isa sa mga pros ng unit na to, it is tracking pad. The tracking pad can be a numpad. Dito ko lang nakita sa Asus yon. At doon sa mga previous vlog namin na Asus, doon, nako-convert mo yung tracking pad mo, pwede mong gawing numpad. There's just a switch na kailangan mong i-on or i-off kung gusto mo siyang gawing numpad or a tracking pad for the meantime. So the other pros that I also noticed on this laptop, it's a backlit keyboard. Hindi lahat ng Celeron is a backlit keyboard. Now, let's proceed with the cons. Isa sa mga cons ng unit na ito, katulad na nakikita ko na ngayon, hindi siya upgradable. Hindi ka pwede magdagdag ng memory. The 4GB is already at it is. 4GB na siya. And then storage, it will be a hassle if you change it. That's why I would suggest gagamit ka ng external HDD. I think yun lang yung na-notice ko dito sa laptop na ito. If you do have comments or suggestions, feel free to comment on this unit. And about the price of this unit, guys, I think it's also one of the pros. Sa labas kasi binibenta to mga nasa roughly nasa 25,000. But here in Laptop Factory, binibenta namin to ng 22,000. Yung mga Celeron namin, binibenta namin ng mga 21,000. You might say that, bakit ito? 1,000 more expensive. Pero guys, if you look at the features of it comes with a numpad on a tracking pad and it's a backlit keyboard. And not to mention, it's also a full HD. Yung mga binibenta namin Celeron, this is simple Celeron, same specs or whatsoever. But this one, for additional 1,000, meron ko ng mga special features na yon. So, sino ba ang target market nitong unit na ito? Well, this is actually very, very, very ideal sa mga estudyante. Katulad ngayon, nagpapasukan na. If you're the person on the budget, yung medyo tight ang budget natin, bagay na bagay sa inyo ito. If you're just gonna do like Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, or Excel, or just simple Google, or simple browsing, Facebook, yes, okay na okay sa inyo to. I'm sorry, hindi to bagay sa mga 3D engineering, sa mga nagre-rendering, sa mga nag-AutoCAD. So in case that you're interested on buying this unit, nandyan yung mga branches natin. And we do have branches nationwide. And then we also do have cash on delivery and different types of installments as you can see there. And guys, last call sa mga pre-qualified contestants sa mga narito sa list. Sayang, we will be giving a gaming laptop kung sino man mananalo sa mga pre-qualified contestants nito. So far, or sa ngayon, onti pa lang nagme-message sa amin or nagve-verify sa amin ng mga pre-qualified contestants. Of course, pag onti sila, there are more chances na sila yung mananalo ng gaming laptop. Okay? So, I think I said everything about this one. Oh, I almost forgot. Congratulations sa mga nanalo ng cup na ito. Okay? Please message us on Viber so we could ship this cap to you. Okay, so I think I said everything about these laptops. Ngayon, kung medyo nahihinaan ka dito sa power of the Celeron, we do have here an i3. Just click on this link. And then for the i5, click on this link. And then, this is Tito Dustin. See you next time. Bye.